Hello, my name is Micah Melia, and I'm a senior advisor at the Behavioral Insights team. I'm pleased to provide you with an overview of the City Data Alliance Evaluation Data Practice Track. We at the Behavioral Insights team have run hundreds of evaluations with governments around the world and are firm believers that evaluation is a fundamental part of continuous improvement for any organization, but especially for governments. We know that understanding what works through evaluation allows leaders to test new ideas, invest in the most effective programs, and maximize results for residents. Through this track, we'll work with you towards this vision by creating a culture of evaluation. We'll achieve this by working towards 5 key outcomes in this track. First, creating and implementing an evaluation policy that guides how evaluations are conducted in your city. Then, by conducting and sharing the results of 2 evaluation projects. And finally, developing a citywide evaluation plan that informs the future evaluations that you conduct. In the process of working towards these 3 goals, we'll achieve 2 other things. First, we'll upskill a core evaluation team of 3 to 4 staff members that develop the evaluation policy, run the evaluation projects, and maintain the evaluation agenda into the future. But they won't do this alone. And by working with other city departments and engaging key stakeholders in the process to develop the policy, agenda, and evaluation projects, you'll build that support for evaluation to continue the momentum forward from this track. We start with the evaluation policy because it creates a clear directive to affirm and outline a citywide commitment to use evaluation. In particular, we think it helps cities achieve 3 things. First, formalizing the interest in the widespread use of evaluation among city leadership, ensuring that evaluation remains a priority beyond any one particular person's tenure. And lastly, formalizing the evaluation structures, teams, and budgets that you need to carry evaluation work forward long after the 9 months of this track end. After you set your intentions through an evaluation policy, we'll be working with you to identify meaningful, high quality evaluation projects. Those will look differently in each city, but I have 2 examples from what current cities are doing in our track now. First, in the city of Renca, Chile, they're conducting a process evaluation to evaluate a workforce training program that specifically serves unemployed residents. They want to understand which unemployed residents in the city the program is reaching now, the quality of the services that are being provided, and what are the contributing factors that lead some residents to drop out of the program. The staff in Renca conducting this evaluation are particularly excited about using this as a model evaluation to demonstrate the value of process evaluations for other programs throughout the city. Moving to the city of Tempe, Arizona, they're working with the city's public library system to re-engage residents who have previously used library services but have let their accounts lapse. They're evaluating whether lapsed library card account holders respond better to different emails and will use the results to determine how to engage with these residents and the broader community as a whole in the future. The evaluation team hopes this collaboration will equip library staff to run evaluations in the future and provide a roadmap for building this capacity across other departments in the city. If this has piqued your interest and you're wondering whether your city is the right fit for our track, we have 3 expectations for cities to participate. The first is that we expect cities to have some previous experience conducting evaluation projects, and they have administrative data systems that capture resident data. And here we're particularly concerned about data that you believe is high quality and you know that you can use to answer data-driven research questions. Then we're also looking for at least 2 departments that are interested in evaluating a policy, program, or practice, because this will allow us to hit the ground running and conduct 2 evaluations in our time together. And lastly, you are willing to build or already have that core evaluation team that will guide most of the work through our track. These evaluation teams should have 3 to 4 staff members and dedicate about 10 to 50% of their time to the track. And the nature of that time will vary by the role that they take and the types of evaluation projects that you run through the track. We look forward to speaking with you and your teams as you consider which data practice track is right for your city. Thank you.